If you're looking to customize your Oyster profile and get the most out of the platform, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps to make your profile stand out, ensuring that you can manage your settings, preferences, and personal details like a pro. First off, if you're new to Oyster, you're going to love how easy it is to personalize everything. To begin, just head to your profile settings. You can access this from the dashboard by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner. This is where all the magic happens, and you can adjust everything from your basic contact info to your communication preferences. When you're inside your profile settings, you'll notice a few sections. Let's start with your personal details. This is where you can upload a profile picture, add your name, job title, and contact details. These fields are essential to ensure that you're easily identifiable to team members or clients. Keep this updated, as it helps maintain professionalism and makes communication smoother. Next up, let's talk about customizing your notification preferences. Oyster allows you to personalize how you receive updates. Whether it's via email, in-app, or push notifications, you have full control. Want to receive updates only for certain activities, like tasks assigned to you or messages? You can do that here too. Tailoring this to your specific needs will help you stay organized and avoid unnecessary distractions. If you work with a team, Oyster gives you the ability to manage your visibility within the platform. In your privacy settings, you can control who sees your profile and which activities are visible to others. This can be especially useful in a larger team where you might want to limit the exposure of certain projects or personal information. For those of you looking to connect with your team more effectively, you can also link your calendar with Oyster. By syncing your calendar, you can easily schedule meetings, set reminders, and check availability, all within the platform. This integration can save you time and make your workflow smoother. Now let's talk about custom fields. Oyster allows you to create custom fields for your profile. This is where you can add specific details about your role, location, or any other data that will help you organize your work. These fields are fully customizable, giving you the flexibility to track whatever is most important for you or your organization. Finally, let's touch on your security settings. It's important to keep your profile secure, and Oyster makes that easy. You can enable two-factor authentication, update your password, and manage your security settings to ensure that your data is protected at all times. The beauty of Oyster is in how customizable your profile can be to fit your needs. It's a powerful tool that can help you stay organized and connected with your team, whether you're working solo or as part of a larger organization. Before we wrap up, I want to let you know that you can try out Oyster completely free from the first link below, along with some exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. This is your chance to get hands-on with the software and see how it can streamline your workflow. So, if you've been looking for a simple and effective way to customize your Oyster profile, now you know exactly how to do it. Don't forget, by following the link in the description, you'll get an extended free trial and exclusive access to all the features. Get started today and see how it transforms your productivity.